how to send CRO token to Cronos Network using Metamask. In this quick tutorial, I will show you all you need to do to send CRO token to Metamask. In my previous video, I showed you how to add Cronos mainnet to the Metamask and also how to bridge USDC from Binance Smart Chain to the Cronos Network. The problem here is that there is no option to bridge CRO token that you need to pay for transaction fees in the Cronos Network. I mean, there are no bridge to do this. So many users experience issues getting CRO token in the Cronos mainnet using Metamask. But there are two options to do this. First one is by sending CRO tokens from the crypto.com application or the exchange. You just need to select Cronos Network as a withdrawal network for your CRO tokens and specify your Cronos Metamask address. You can copy it here. But what if you don't have crypto.com application or exchange, or it's not available in your country? I found another way to get CRO tokens directly using Metamask. To do this, you need to go to the website called app.elk.finance and connect your wallet here. Click on accept terms and conditions and choose Metamask. Now choose the BNB chain, for example. Metamask will ask me to switch to BNB Smart Chain. I will do this. So in our scenario, we will first swap BNB, for example 001 BNB, to ELK token. We will need it to get some CRO tokens. I will show you later. So first step is to swap BNB or any other tokens in the BNB Smart Chain to get some ELK tokens. Let's do the swap and confirm it. Yeah, now we need to confirm this transaction in the Metamask wallet. As usual, press confirm and let's close it. Transaction confirmed. So we now have some ELK tokens here. And now let's go to the ELK.net, this option here. And now we will send ELK token to Cronos mainnet. And now the most important options you need to select here is to swap ELK for gas. Let's choose max amount. You will need 2 ELK tokens to pay the fee. Now we have everything in place. We will send all ELK tokens to the Cronos mainnet and swap them for gas. As you know, CRO tokens is used for gas fees. So in this way, all our ELK tokens will be automatically swapped for the CRO tokens. Let's click on transfer. As usual, confirm transaction in the Metamask pop-up. And let's check now. I'm on BNB Smart Chain. And let's switch to let's wait for transaction to be confirmed. And now we can switch to the Cronos mainnet. I still have 1.5 Cronos here. And now I received more Cronos here. And in total I have 3 Cronos. This is how you can send CRO tokens to the Cronos mainnet using Metamask. Now you can bridge some other tokens like USDC or USDT to Cronos mainnet and do what you need in this network. For bridging tutorial, please click on the video you can see on the screen right now. I hope this tutorial helped you to get your Cronos tokens in the Cronos mainnet. Let me know in the comments below if you have any issues, and see you next time.